Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this completely honest finding perfect changes everything. You won't believe what I stumbled upon today. I was a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that the build quality is premium, I was completely sold. It is an absolute lifesaver. It simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it makes your daily routine effortless. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade today without any delay. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this completely honest finding perfect changes everything. You won't believe what I stumbled upon today.